Econ Grade 2, Part 1 Listening Practice. This video contains 40 newly written original questions. Listen carefully, choose the best answer, and check the answer after a short pause. Question number 1. Can you help me rent a practice room today? Make sure you use the online calendar before you continue. What is the problem being discussed? 1. Reservations are made online. 2. Call a family member first. 3. Choose the largest room. 4. Speak to a different office. The answer is number 1. Question number 2. I need to apply for a permit, but I don't know the next step. Make sure you return with a completed form before you continue. What is the main point of the conversation? 1. Wait until next month. 2. The form is not complete yet. 3. Choose the largest room. 4. Call a family member first. The answer is number 2. Question number 3. I was planning to book a picnic shelter. Is there anything I should do first? It would be best to choose a date without a festival. What is the problem being discussed? 1. Buy a more expensive ticket. 2. Wait until next month. 3. The festival date is not available. 4. Arrive after the event ends. The answer is number 3. Question number 4. I was planning to submit a budget form. Is there anything I should do first? Make sure you attach the latest receipt before you continue. What is the listener expected to do? 1. The form is incomplete without the receipt. 2. Ignore the instructions. 3. Call a family member first. 4. Buy a more expensive ticket. The answer is number 1. Question number 5. I tried to mail documents overseas, but I ran into a problem. Please choose express delivery. That will solve the problem. What is the problem being discussed? 1. Call a family member first. 2. Express delivery is recommended. 3. Return the item next year. 4. Choose the largest room. The answer is number 2. Question number 6. I tried to record an announcement, but I ran into a problem. The first thing to do is to speak closer to the microphone. What is the best answer? 1. The voice needs to be clearer. 2. Leave the building at once. 3. Ask for a full refund. 4. Ignore the instructions. The answer is number 1. Question number 7. Could you tell me how to choose a guided tour? You should avoid the rainy season. What does the second speaker suggest? 1. Ask for a full refund. 2. Buy a more expensive ticket. 3. The tour is better in a different season. 4. Print every document twice. The answer is number 3. Question number 8. I tried to ask about a missed test, but I ran into a problem. The first thing to do is to bring a note from the counselor. What is being recommended? 1. A note is required. 2. Ignore the instructions. 3. Wait until next month. 4. Ask for a full refund. The answer is number 1. Question number 9. I tried to open a savings account, but I ran into a problem. Make sure you show 2 forms of identification before you continue. What does the speaker mean? 1. Choose the largest room. 2. Cancel the plan immediately. 3. Ignore the instructions. 4. 2 IDs are needed. The answer is number 4. Question number 10. Could you tell me how to understand medicine instructions? You should take the tablets after meals. What is the best answer? 1. The medicine should be taken after eating. 2. Leave the building at once. 3. Send the request by mail only. 4. Buy a more expensive ticket. The answer is number 1. Question number 11. Can you help me prepare ingredients today? Make sure you wash the vegetables before cutting before you continue. What is the main point of the conversation? 1. Leave the building at once. 2. Choose the largest room. 3. The vegetables should be washed first. 4. Pay for a yearly contract. The answer is number 3. Question number 12. I was planning to return a damaged product. Is there anything I should do first? Make sure you show the receipt before you continue. What will probably happen next? 1. Send the request by mail only. 2. Wait until next month. 3. The receipt is needed for the return. 4. Leave the building at once. The answer is number 3. Question number 13. I need to register a display, but I don't know the next step. Please include a short abstract that will solve the problem. What does the second speaker suggest? 1. Take a taxi to another city. 2. Ask for a full refund. 3. Buy a more expensive ticket. 4. An abstract is needed. The answer is number 4. Question number 14. I need to borrow a projector, but I don't know the next step. Please sign the equipment sheet that will solve the problem. What will probably happen next? 1. Buy a more expensive ticket. 2. Wait until next month. 3. Return the item next year. 4. The projector cannot be borrowed without signing. The answer is number 4. Question number 15. I tried to renew a membership card, but I ran into a problem. It would be best to bring proof of address. What is the best answer? 1. Buy a more expensive ticket. 2. The card cannot be renewed without proof. 3. Call a family member first. 4. Choose the largest room. The answer is number 2. Question number 16. I tried to join an evening course, but I ran into a problem. Make sure you take a placement test first before you continue. What does the speaker mean? 1. A placement test is required. 2. Arrive after the event ends. 3. Buy a more expensive ticket. 4. Print every document twice. The answer is number 1. Question number 17. I tried to reserve a private table, but I ran into a problem. The first thing to do is to confirm the number of guests. What should the listener do next? 1. The reservation depends on the final number. 2. Wait until next month. 3. Pay for a yearly contract. 4. Use the old form instead. The answer is number 1. Question number 18. I tried to label the samples, but I ran into a problem. The first thing to do is to use the blue stickers. What does the second speaker suggest? 1. Buy a more expensive ticket. 2. The blue stickers should be used. 3. Use the old form instead. 4. Call a family member first. The answer is number 2. Question number 19. I need to appeal a parking ticket, but I don't know the next step. Make sure you submit photos of the sign before you continue. What does the second speaker suggest? 1. Buy a more expensive ticket. 2. Use the old form instead. 3. Photos are needed for the appeal. 4. Return the item next year. The answer is number 3. Question number 20. Could you tell me how to collect a name badge? Make sure you check the spelling before printing before you continue. What is the listener expected to do? 1. Choose the largest room. 2. Call a family member first. 3. The badge should be checked before it is printed. 4. Speak to a different office. The answer is number 3. Question number 21. Can you help me revise an article today? You should shorten the final paragraph. What does the speaker mean? 1. Pay for a yearly contract. 2. Cancel the plan immediately. 3. The article needs to be made shorter. 4. Wait until next month. The answer is number 3. Question number 22. I tried to reach the research center, but I ran into a problem. You should transfer at Central Square. What does the speaker mean? 1. Ignore the instructions. 2. Return the item next year. 3. A transfer is required. 4. Cancel the plan immediately. The answer is number 3. Question number 23. Can you help me join a cleanup event today? Please arrive before the safety briefing. That will solve the problem. What is the main point of the conversation? 1. Speak to a different office. 2. Send the request by mail only. 3. Ask for a full refund. 4. The briefing happens before the work starts. The answer is number 4. Question number 24. I tried to exchange performance tickets, but I ran into a problem. Please pay the price difference. That will solve the problem. What does the second speaker suggest? 1. Use the old form instead. 2. Send the request by mail only. 3. The exchange costs extra. 4. Pay for a yearly contract. The answer is number 3. Question number 25. I need to complete an insurance form, but I don't know the next step. You should write the policy number clearly. What does the second speaker suggest? 1. The number must be easy to read. 2. Speak to a different office. 3. Ask for a full refund. 4. Call a family member first. The answer is number 1. Question number 26. Could you tell me how to change an appointment? Make sure you call before noon before you continue. What is the main point of the conversation? 1. Take a taxi to another city. 2. Choose the largest room. 3. Leave the building at once. 4. The appointment can be changed by calling early. The answer is number 4. Question number 27. I tried to freeze a membership, but I ran into a problem. The first thing to do is to complete the request online. What does the second speaker suggest? 1. Send the request by mail only. 2. Take a taxi to another city. 3. Ignore the instructions. 4. The request must be submitted online. The answer is number 4. Question number 28. I need to fix a laptop keyboard, but I don't know the next step. Make sure you leave the computer overnight before you continue. What should the listener do next? 1. Take a taxi to another city. 2. Leave the building at once. 3. The repair will take more than 1 day. 4. Return the item next year. The answer is number 3. Question number 29. I was planning to report a water leak. Is there anything I should do first? It would be best to let maintenance enter in the afternoon. What will probably happen next? 1. Ask for a full refund. 2. Print every document twice. 3. Pay for a yearly contract. 4. Maintenance will visit later. The answer is number 4. Question number 30. I need to ask about organic vegetables, but I don't know the next step. It would be best to come early on Saturday. What is being recommended? 1. Cancel the plan immediately. 2. Use the old form instead. 3. Pay for a yearly contract. 4. The best selection is early Saturday. The answer is number 4. Question number 31. I was planning to choose plants for shade. Is there anything I should do first? Please avoid the sun-loving flowers. That will solve the problem. What is the listener expected to do? 1. Buy a more expensive ticket. 2. Leave the building at once. 3. Some plants need too much sunlight. 4. Return the item next year. The answer is number 3. Question number 32. I tried to inspect a delivery, but I ran into a problem. Make sure you report the damaged boxes before you continue. What is the best answer? 1. Take a taxi to another city. 2. Leave the building at once. 3. Use the old form instead. 4. Some boxes may be damaged. The answer is number 4. Question number 33. I was planning to ask about part-time work. Is there anything I should do first? The first thing to do is to come back when the manager is in. What is true about the situation? 1. Pay for a yearly contract. 2. The manager is not available now. 3. Choose the largest room. 4. Send the request by mail only. The answer is number 2. Question number 34. I was planning to print a poster. Is there anything I should do first? You should reduce the file size. What is being recommended? 1. The file is too large to print now. 2. Leave the building at once. 3. Cancel the plan immediately. 4. Wait until next month. The answer is number 1. Question number 35. I was planning to ask about a delayed flight. Is there anything I should do first? Make sure you watch the gate screen before you continue. What does the second speaker suggest? 1. The gate may change. 2. Wait until next month. 3. Take a taxi to another city. 4. Ignore the instructions. The answer is number 1. Question number 36. I need to download the presentation, but I don't know the next step. The first thing to do is to scan the code on the last slide. What should the listener do next? 1. Buy a more expensive ticket. 2. The code gives access to the materials. 3. Pay for a yearly contract. 4. Call a family member first. The answer is number 2. Question number 37. Could you tell me how to reserve painting supplies? Please pick them up before Saturday. That will solve the problem. What is the listener expected to do? 1. Print every document twice. 2. Use the old form instead. 3. Take a taxi to another city. 4. The supplies must be collected before Saturday. The answer is number 4. Question number 38. Could you tell me how to send fragile equipment? Make sure you buy reinforced packaging before you continue. What will probably happen next? 1. Leave the building at once. 2. Arrive after the event ends. 3. Cancel the plan immediately. 4. The item needs stronger packaging. The answer is number 4. Question number 39. I was planning to find the media lab. Is there anything I should do first? The first thing to do is to use the elevator near the bookstore. What is the listener expected to do? 1. Return the item next year. 2. Pay for a yearly contract. 3. Wait until next month. 4. The elevator near the bookstore is the easiest route. The answer is number 4. Question number 40. Can you help me join the architecture tour today? Please wait near the east entrance. That will solve the problem. What is true about the situation? 1. The tour starts near the east entrance. 2. Arrive after the event ends. 3. Use the old form instead. 4. Return the item next year. The answer is number 1.